There are accounts of those who have lost everything during a downswing in addition to stories of people who have gained millions in cryptocurrencies. People have been led to assume that gaining in cryptocurrency is all about appearance because of this scenario. Although it may appear to be working that way, it does not. Investors in ADA have received numerous guarantees from Cardano founder Charles Hoskinson that they will soon become millionaires. Regarding the creation of currencies and commodities. In contrast, the value of cryptocurrencies fluctuates. His comparatively tiny market size is the cause of this. And like any market, the value of cryptocurrencies fluctuates dependent on the perceptions of investors at any particular moment. These variations could be caused by unobserved market forces or a combination of supply and demand factors. What do you think of the coin as a cardinal investment then? Keep in mind that emotion usually drives the crypto industry. Investors have been promised by Charles Hoskinson that they will soon become millions. Despite the gravity of his assertion, he is more interested in discovering Cardano's practicality and potential. The issue is in this area. Many investors simply want to get to the biggest profits. They perceive their investment as a chance to make quick money. But Cardano is more than just the positive gains it can provide. In a YouTube video, the chief executive of Cardano expressed his views on the long-term prospects of digital assets and predicted that ADA and other cryptoassets would ultimately destroy the global financial system. He continued by saying that this objective would not be achieved until the U.S. government adopts a positive attitude toward cryptocurrency. This disposition will entail the development of appropriate crypto rules for the industry's actors, which are necessary for us to advance. As you are aware, our ultimate objective is for Cardano and other digital currencies to take over as the world's primary means of exchange. His life's work, he claimed, is assisting the unbanked in opening bank accounts. The unbanked can use this to have a controlled economic identity across all borders. Charles Hoskinson goes on to say that the only financial system that can grant the unbanked freedom of expression, association, and commerce is cryptocurrency. Freedom, in his opinion, is a type of prosperity. Also, he stressed that Cardano has never been stronger when speaking about the recent carnage in the cryptocurrency market. He also uploaded a tweet in which he claimed that investors are only interested in the prices of the cryptocurrencies they own, such as Cardano ADA, and that the markets have become separated from reality. Despite the bear market's continued existence, he said that numerous other blockchains, including Cardano, have never been more powerful. Charles Hoskinson likely intended to clarify that a coin's price does not accurately reflect the macro issues that underlie the community's disagreement. The cryptocurrency tycoon highlighted his criteria that should be highly regarded when evaluating any coin because it only seeks out rapid gains in a Twitter thread. In his opinion, the focus should always be on the actual issues that crypto technology addresses, the people it aspires to help, and the fresh options it presents to consumers, among other things. Cardinal Hoskinson is altering the world and has successfully met these prerequisites. Cardano has its best days ahead of it. Charles Hoskinson, who recently turned 35, stated that he was not going to retire and play with his bison in a video posted to his YouTube account. This assertion is the basis for his recent denial of reports of retirement. He also expressed his annoyance with the hateful and divisive comments he frequently encounters on social media. How many books are possible to write? How many vile trolls can I withstand? How many individuals can criticize everything I do or know, including my expertise, qualifications, ethics, and personality, on a daily basis? How long can you handle what he spoke for? When people claim that Cardano is making progress, it is disheartening. Given his reluctance to retire, the Cardano leader will likely remain active in this decade, but he is reluctant to throw up the towel when he prophesied that the coming decade will be incredibly crucial for humanity. Charles Hoskinson won't follow in the footsteps of Polkadot pioneer Gavin Wood, who just resigned as CEO of Parity Technologies. Therefore, it is best to disregard rumors that Hoskinson will step down from his leadership position for the time being. Hoskinson led a protest against maximalism, arguing that it was making it much more difficult for the Bitcoin sector to expand. I have never understood maximalism in any way. He once claimed that Bitcoin maximalists should think about implementing smart contracts utilizing Cardano's technology. Furthermore, even after the Cardano founder openly cut relations with the XRP community in the wake of the Ethereum Classic dispute, the XRP trolls continued to arrest him without cause, leading him to block the majority of them. The crypto Twitter community reacted to this situation, and some users urged Hoskinson not to generalize about the entire XRP community based on the acts of a small number of people. Additionally, the founder of Cardano believes that blockchain technology has the potential to transform governmental institutions. Compare the modern processes to the ancient ones. With these assertions, it is even more obvious that he is not eager to follow other top executives of crypto companies who have either retired or resigned from their roles to explore other options. There are people like Arthur Hayes, the CEO of BitMEX Exchange, who filed his resignation last month, and Jesse Powell, who left his post as CEO of Kraken in September. Hoskinson has also spoken. Cardano, you will become a millionaire thanks to ADA, and he won't leave until he does this. With the success of the Vessel hard fork, the ADA token may now be in line for significant gains. Yes, it's not immediately obvious. But what if it was stated to coincide with the excitement that Charles Hoskinson and his team spread around the crypto world in advance of the hard fork? It's a big mystery why it had no impact on the ADA coin. Hoskinson tweeted about the Vessel hard fork's progress 2 months ago. He noted that the upgrade is anticipated to enhance the Cardano smart contract programming language Plutus, which permits the development of decentralized applications and network performance. A hard fork typically involves a significant modification to the network protocol that results in a permanent break from the prior blockchain version. Numerous changes in terms of transaction costs, scalability, and performance were brought forth by the VESA update. Typically, when a hard fork date is announced, there is a large rush and people try to push through. Hoskinson immediately tweeted that Cardano has given a depressing impression on the price charts. Performance will soon improve. Following a massive retraction in the cryptocurrency markets. Over the weekend, ADA's recent upswing saw our momentum decline. The 9th largest cryptocurrency, however, presents a favorable short-term prognosis that might lay the groundwork for a long-term positive trend. His daily chart contains a signal that is causing sideline and retail investors to enter the market in anticipation of a large move. Additionally, the majority of ADA holders, according to sentiment, benefit from the market value realized value profit-loss model. By comparing the price at which the tokens last moved to their current market value, this approach keeps track of whether Cardano investors made a profit or lost money. Since the majority of ADA holders have reached break-even, overhead pressure is likely to increase as they book profits. However, there is no need to worry because pullbacks allow sideline investors to re-enter the markets, which fuels demand and drives the price of ADA coins upward. Cardano can generate millionaire returns, so this is not just wishful thinking. Cardano claims that there is a good probability that businesses and people will continue to accept Cardano and that its improvement is assured. Cardano has frequently been referred to as millionaire maker coins. Most experts have anticipated that it will soon spread across numerous sectors even more quickly. Well, the majority of cryptocurrencies are hyped up. Cardano provides substantial value and works hard to maintain regulatory compliance while respecting the privacy of its users. It is also one of the few cryptocurrencies that is actually eco-friendly, which is why I will keep winning over Elon Musk and other investors and companies all around the world. A cryptocurrency value by community and the founder, it is set to attract millions, so perhaps with Cardano ADA, you might not fall into the category of people who lose everything after investing. This is especially true if more investors and celebrities continue to question the environmental effects of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. It is what it is, after all. But of course, once I'm in the comments section below, what are your thoughts on this? In the following video, we'll see you. Check out our other films to see how go-downs are achieving their goal of becoming the Ethereum killer first, though, before that. Be sure to always click the subscribe notification buttons. We would like to make it clear that this is not a platform designed expressly to offer financial advice, and we are not requesting that you invest in any particular business.